Yeah. Yeah. That's my cleaning noise. In case you didn't know. Oh my god. I did not want to get up this morning.
Yeah? Why not?
I just didn't, man.
Oh, real dirty.
Yeah?
Oh, it's real dirty. Be careful right there. My bike kicked out. Are we doing the interstate or...
Are we?
are we?
You're the one with no jacket, so.
I don't care. Interstate's probably better with no jacket than the back way.
Alright, well, let's do it then. We're barely legal in interstate speed. Alright, now we're not legal in interstate speed. And throttle lock. Nope. Throttle lock. Aha. Whee! Fuck me, as soon as I get it set.
Yep.
Alright, we gotta start making our way over. I'm on a Harley. It's easy to confuse us with a Harley, I know. Oh, dirty corner. Ew. Here we go.
Clibbins. See them clibbins over there.
I don't see no clippings.
See a man making some clibbins.
Oh no, not the clippings.
Won't have the layers down.
Oh no. The clippings is the clippings. I don't see no. Oh, I do see clippings. I'm not far behind you. Clippings. There's a damn clipping. That's like 18 clippings over there.
Stinky over here by work. Smells like seaweed.
I don't know, man. It wasn't me.
Nah.
I don't think so. A burping. Wow. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Bada bing, bada boom, bum. Bada biddy biddy, bada boop, bop, ba, doo. I am motorcycle. Motorcycle. I make noise and I go from.
I can go in circles.
Yeah, you can. Look at the circles. The circle. That's a good circle. Okay. Yeah, Chris Clark. He found us a couch.
Yeah.
His mom bought a Bernhardt or something. It's actually a pretty good brand, and she doesn't want it.
Yeah, how much?
Free.
Oh, when we getting it?
Yeah, we gotta go get it.
I don't care.
It's a big brown leather boy, but
How much weight capacity is this XSR 900 rated for?
yeah.
Wide
Well,
load.
I like all these little houses. They're so cute. Even though one of them's a tattoo shop.
Yeah.
That one's got a hammock. I need me a hammock. I don't, just to clarify, I don't need a hammock, but I don't even think I'd ever use one. Look at all the Reaper stickers. How many do you need, man?
Yeah.
There's 2 down by the tag. There's one on the trunk. Oh yeah, you gotta get him hyped. Get him hyped to get fucked. Oh yeah, there he goes. He was on it, and then after you got about a car length ahead, he was like, nah. Actually, I wasn't racing.
I just remembered, I ain't racing.
Did they? I thought all the newer age stuff was Clint headlights.
No.
What are you braking for?
Triumph is just weird. I don't know who they are.
Come on. These guys are looking at our bikes. Really nothing fancy. Now this guy's looking at our bikes.
Yeah.
There's 2 people that started leaving and then we're like, oh. That joke maybe won't make it in the video. I was just gonna make a big video out of this, but I don't know if that one's gonna make it.
What's up? An XSR 900? No. It's not. It's a new engine. It's a MT-09. You too.
That was the first dude who stopped and was like, oh my. And commence engine braking. Oh! It just popped into neutral after I put it in first. Red Lobster, yep. Hey, Bob. It's a good look, Bob.
It's coming from a Royal Enfield. I don't think it's good luck.
That's why it broke down. That's because I keep giving you all the good luck. I keep bippity-bopping you. That's what did it.
The Yamaha needs no luck from a Royal Enfield.
Hey, that's the mouth. You keep my mother out of your dirty mouth. Goodbye, Craig.